If you want make a ginger, give me the doctora. My girl, baby, tell her. Anywhere I go, they come up and my love. No, they do like Bola. Kelly say she like me, she like my thing, oh yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this long braided ponytail. And yeah, I was just playing with my hair and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna get right into it, but before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, of course. And you know, share this video with whoever you think it might help. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us, we do hair, makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So definitely stick around after this video and check out our other videos as well. And yeah, I'm just going to stop rambling and we're gonna get right into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna start and get started on this hairstyle. So I am starting on my hair. My hair is kind of stretched because it was in braids, but I'm just going to say it right now, it's not clean. Yeah, I just didn't want to clean my hair for me to go and put gel in it, you know? So that's basically it. This is what my hair looks like, and it's pretty much stretched because it was in braids. So you want to make sure your hair is stretched because it's gonna be easier, you know? So I'm just gonna go over a few things that you will need for this hairstyle. So of course you'll need a hard, soft bristle brush. This is really important to help smooth out the hair. Any type of pick or comb that you use to brush out your hair. Some gel. I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam today. I used this when I did my passion twist and I really liked it. And unfortunately I kind of ran out while I'm on the last bits of my edge control, so this is going to come in handy. And of course you need some braiding hair. I'm going to be using this hair that obviously I got from Amazon. I was just too lazy to go and like get some in the store, so I just ordered it on Amazon. So hopefully this works. I see that it's kind of thin, but we'll make it work. And then this is like how much I don't think you guys can see, but there's only some on the rim. This is my ORS edge control and I love it, so I'm so sad that it's gone, but it's okay, whatever. So the first thing I'm going to do, like I told you guys, my hair was in braids, so you know it's kind of already stretched out, which is a plus. So yeah, I'm just kind of looking at how this is going to look and shape my ponytail. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of water, not too much because you don't want your roots to revert. Like that's the one thing you don't want for this hairstyle. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my roots, and that's just going to help with the styling. It's going to make it like way easier. You can also put it on your hand and just kind of smooth it in, which I think I'm going to do. And I'm going heavy kind of around the edges. Oh, I also forgot to show you guys, I'm going to be using my Tangle teaser. And of course I have an elastic band that I'm going to use later on too. But I'm just going to brush that through a little bit and smooth it through the hair. Now if you want, you can do like a side part or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. So now that it's smooth, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of gel. Well, I actually kind of took a lot, but I'm going to go and put that on the perimeter of my hair. And I chose this gel because, like I told you guys, I ran out of my Eco Styler. And this is actually a pretty strong gel, so I trust it to do what it needs to do. Okay, so now that I put that gel in my hair, I'm gonna go with my hard soft bristle brush and just kind of smooth that through. Okay, so now I'm going to take my elastic band, put that around the perimeter of my head, tie it in the back, and just start pushing it forward. Like tying it more as I like push it up. If it doesn't make sense, you're gonna see what I'm doing, but... And you want to make sure it's like, you make it tight as you go. This step is really, really important. So try and make it as tight as possible and place it where you want it to be. I think this is as tight as I can go. Okay, so that's what you have at the end, and you can kind of pull a little more if you want to, and that's gonna help stretch out the hair a little more as well. So this is basically my puff. My hair is like so thick now, guys. I did not realize how thick it got, but it's okay. So I'm gonna use my pick and just kind of try and brush that out a little bit just to help smooth it out, because I didn't brush my hair. I literally just took it out of the braids. Okay, so this is basically what my puff is looking like. It's so thick, guys, but it's okay. So I'm just going to go and smooth out my hair like just a little more, just to make sure everything is like smooth. And I'm going to do my baby hairs too. So I'm adding a little more gel. So to do my baby hairs, I'm going to use this little like toothbrush thing that I always use, and just kind of take out my baby hairs like this. That's how I always do them. Okay, so this is how my baby hairs are looking. I don't really do too much with them. So yeah, I'm gonna set that whole area with my bandana. It's just going to help make sure that it stays like put. So I'm just going to keep that there for the time that like basically I work on this part. Okay, so for this part, this is where I'm about to go ahead and start putting the braiding hair, but I kind of don't want it to look like there's something at the top like most people do. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So you're going to take your braiding hair like this, and I already did the like tethering thing at the bottom. Like I did it off camera because I'm not that good at it, obviously, so yeah, I did it off camera. But I'm basically going to take it and just start dividing it, because we are going to do the feed-in method. And I prefer doing this just because, I don't know, I don't like the little like thing that you see, you know, when your hair is like just basically there.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I just don't like that little thing when you see like there's hair there and it kind of like gives you like a bump. I don't like that, so I prefer doing the feed-in method. So I'm just going to go ahead and start dividing my hair, and I feel like this is really thin actually, so I might have to use a second pack, but I'm going to start with this one and see how it goes. Okay, so what I'm going to do, my hair is so thick, guys. But yeah, basically I'm going to go ahead and divide this in 3, as if I'm like braiding a normal braid. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and divide it in 3. Okay, so I got my 3 sections. So try and divide it as best as possible in 3 equal sections. It's just going to make everything easier. And I'm going to go ahead and start braiding. So okay, this is kind of weird to like show you guys, but basically I'm going to go ahead and feed in this thing right underneath and like hold it, and I'm going to hold it with both of the outer sections basically, just so I can tuck it underneath, and then I'm gonna go ahead and braid and start braiding. Ooh, this is actually harder than I expected. Let me see if I can show you guys in a better way. So yeah, basically tucked it under. Like that. This one doesn't have any yet, but that's okay. And then I'm going to do this one on top. And just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and tuck a second one underneath. I know it's kind of hard, guys. It's kind of hard to like show it and do it at the same time, but I'm going to try my best so that you guys can see. So basically I have this section, I have this section, and this section, right? The two sections in my right hand have hair, so I'm gonna go with my other section and tuck that underneath. And make sure you hold the sections like in the middle so that they're like equal. So basically I'm going to go and put it underneath, and where I'll put it, I'll grab it with this hand with my further section, and then the other hand will grab the braiding hair with my hair, basically. So that's how you do it, where it like feeds in basically. And then I'm gonna go on top. So one trick for your hair to kind of like blend better is to kind of put a little bit of gel on your own hair, and that's just going to help with like the blending. I kind of forgot to put it on the other sections, but that's okay. Okay, so now that I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and put some more hair. And I'm just making sure I'm holding it in the middle. And I'll put that underneath. And I know the top kind of looks funny, guys, but don't worry, we'll fix that a little later. Okay, so this is how long. It's actually really long right now. But I don't like that it's like not thick at all. That's my only issue with it right now. So this is the fourth piece. Okay, and you see how there's some pieces that are like kind of thin. I'm gonna go ahead and just break it in two and kind of add it to the other piece, just so it doesn't start getting too thin. But yeah, I'm kind of not doing this like neatly, just because I don't need it to be like too perfect, you know? It's gonna look a little like too like fake, I guess. Okay, so guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put a black rubber band at the end. This is how long it is, so it's pretty long. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now at the top, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of gel just so that everything can lay and stay laid and kind of blend in more. So I feel like here is definitely thicker than the rest of the braids, and I think it's the braiding hair that I picked, honestly. So this is basically what it is. I'm going to go ahead and take this off just to see the full look. Okay, so guys, I am back. I did my makeup, obviously, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And there are a few pieces that are coming out, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of cut them. But before actually I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and dip the end in hot water. Now you need to be careful because obviously you don't want to get burned, but yeah, basically this is how it looks. And you know, I feel like I could have done it better, but I'm not going anywhere right now. I'm just going to sleep, so that's why I didn't fix it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dip this in hot water. And if you want to, you can actually like put a roller on the ends and then dip it in hot water, and that's how you get like the curled ends. But I'm not going for that look today, so I'm not gonna be doing that. So I got my hot water thing right here, and let me just do this so that I don't burn myself, because this water is like hot. Okay, so basically I'm going to dip the end in it and dip it as like deep as I can. And like thankfully my hair doesn't go all the way like down, so that's good. And then I'm just going to take it and kind of now you can go and cut the ends if you want to, but personally I don't need to. And I'm just going up with the hair a little bit again. And yeah, that's pretty much good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these little pieces that are coming out. I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but I can. And yeah, that's basically how the braid looks like. I feel like it's actually like really good. It's a different vibe, and it's like a protective style, and it like switches things up. So that's how it looks, and it doesn't look that bad. I think next time though that I do it, this was my first time doing it, but next time that I do it, I'm going to add a little more hair so that it's like a little thicker, because I would like it to be like a little thicker, you know. But yeah, that's basically how it looks. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful to some of you guys. If it was helpful, definitely give it a like, and definitely comment down below what other videos you would like to see from us. And of course, thank you so much for always supporting and always showing love on our videos. I hope you guys are enjoying our videos. If you have any other question, definitely leave them down below. And if you decide to recreate this hairstyle, definitely let me know so that I can share it on my social medias, of course. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
So maybe Christmas would be, but get again just